So in my previous video, I spoke about how accounting has to evolve. So some of the suggestions which have been made internationally are to try to create the value of advertising and find out the advertising relationship to the assets, to the sales which are happening, and to the profitability. So kind of splitting the advertising into capex and into revenue, so that you see what is the return that you're getting on capex. The other one is to go out and find out the value of the patents, etc., and the value that they have generated by adding to it, and finding the difference in the patent value from one point to the other point, saying have they enhanced the value of the patent. Again, anything which is intangible is very difficult to value. We have all tried valuing this. I remember the first assignment that I got on brand valuation was the sale of Thumbs Up, Limca and Gold Spot. So again, it was back, we are talking of the 1980s or 90s, yeah, 90s perhaps, and where we had to just go to the British Council library, pick up the books, and there was, remember, there was no internet to search, and at every point say put this disclaimer saying this is how it has been valued and all that. It's kind of difficult, but I think going forward you will need this. You will need to see customer satisfaction surveys, you will need to see human resources satisfaction surveys. I would love all this to be incorporated into the accounting, because once it is incorporated in the accounting, it means it's done by a proper process. Here anybody can set up a committee or get a market research company and they do a valuation. That's not right. We have to incorporate all those things into the balance sheet. We need to drop things like assets. Assets do not matter for the best companies today in the world. They are into communication, they are into IT, etc. So once they have bought the assets, the servers, etc., and these are all commodities, right? The storage space is a commodity. So having said all that, what are we capturing? We have to capture all these things, find the correlation, and then talk about a new type of value investing, saying if the patents are worth so much, if so much of the value of the patents have been enhanced over the years, or more advertisement has been spent and new brands created, new venues created for where it can be used. So if you can create all that, then accounting will be more relevant. Accounting which is likely to be irrelevant for companies where the future generation of money comes out of just thin air and not from physical assets. Once upon a time, physical assets were important, because if you were a cement manufacturing company with 100,000 tons capacity, you had to put up another plant of 100,000 tons to become 200,000 tons. So therefore it mattered. Today assets do not matter. For any of these companies, assets do not matter. We need to find a solution. Internal solution, external solution, whatever. Earlier we used to do that by amortizing expenses and saying this much is the relationship. We will have to do it much more. It is a much more vague concept. It is much more difficult concept, which means chartered accountants have to be first equipped to audit it properly. So we are in challenging times, but if we don't do all that, accounting will become less and less relevant to the people who are investing, and they will not need your balance sheet. They may be looking at something else. Thank you.